If you are suffering from type 1 or type 2 diabetes, you may know that the treatments for both diseases are similar except for one major difference. People suffering from type 1 diabetes will most likely need to be on insulin replacement therapy from the day that they are diagnosed with the disease. People that are diagnosed with type 2 diabetes may not need insulin replacement therapy unless their condition escalates. In this video, we will look at a few common methods that are used to treat diabetes. While diabetes is a dangerous disease when it gets out of control, it can be easily managed when you monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. But before we get started, we suggest that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way, you will be notified anytime we release new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first method that we're going to look at is going to be education. While education is not necessarily a treatment, it is a fact that you do not know what you do not know. Your doctor should do a good job of educating you on what diabetes is and how your blood sugar levels and glucose metabolism can affect your condition. We also suggest that you do your own research to learn as much as you can about this disease, as the more that you know, the better that you will be able to manage it. The next thing that we're going to look at is exercise. Whether you are diabetic or not, exercise is something that should be included in your daily routine. If you are diabetic, you need to know how to use exercise to improve your strength and stamina. Exercise can also lead to you shedding excess fat, which can help you in reversing the signs of diabetes. The next thing that we're going to discuss is oral medication. If your diabetes is escalating, your doctor will most likely prescribe medication for you to take. In addition to drugs like metformin, which is a common drug that helps to reduce insulin insensitivity, your doctor may also prescribe medications to reduce obesity as well as medication to treat high blood pressure. Alternatively, if your body cannot handle the effects of metformin, your doctor may prescribe acarbose, which is a drug that helps to block the digestive enzymes in your body from breaking down the carbohydrates into glucose and spiking your blood sugar levels. The next treatment we're going to discuss for diabetes is going to be insulin replacement therapy. Insulin replacement therapy is used for almost all type 1 diabetes patients. However, it is used as a last resort for type 2 diabetes patients because it basically involves injecting yourself with insulin. While there are several ways to deliver insulin into your body, you will most likely be given injections to take at home, insulin pumps, skin patches, or nasal sprays. The method that your doctor prescribes to you for insulin replacement therapy will depend on your preferences, which should be discussed with your doctor. Also, the type of insulin that will be prescribed to you will depend on the severity of your condition. There are different types of insulin depending on the time that it takes for them to act once in your body, as some are rapid while others are longer acting. Once again, your doctor will be the best person to advise you here. The final and most effective treatment for diabetes is going to be your diet. Diet is by far one of the best ways to treat diabetes. The main focus of your diet will lie in minimizing your sugar intake while also reducing or eliminating all processed foods which contain tons of additives and high fructose corn syrup. When you are able to clean up your diet and consume foods that are wholesome, natural, and healthy, your blood sugars will begin to stabilize. Your inflammation should decrease, and you will find it much easier to shed unwanted fat from your body. As you probably know, type 2 diabetes is the result of obesity, so losing weight is one of the best ways to prevent or reverse signs of diabetes. A clean diet with a caloric deficit can have you on your way to your healthy weight goals. While these are just a few of the more common treatments for diabetes, you must be proactive when it comes to treating this disease. If you become complacent, your symptoms can become uncontrollable and severe complications may occur, so it is always best to keep this disease under control. After months of body deteriorating drugs from my doctors, multiple different diets, and many different crazy methods and techniques, I was finally and luckily introduced to the keto diet. If you are looking to reverse all signs of diabetes, ridding yourself of all of the toxic prescriptions that your doctor has you on, while completely repairing your body from the inside, I'm giving away a free download just below this video. In this guide, you will learn so much about the keto diet, including everything that you need to know to get started. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to leave us a thumbs up in the comment section below. If there is anything that we can do to improve, please let us know that as well. If you would like to be notified anytime we release new videos about reversing diabetes through weight loss with a keto diet, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.